Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I wanted to go through the IPC solubility conclusion. This is the chapter wrap-up for solutions. So, let's go through the introduction. You have been hired as a food chemist for a new beverage company. You choose the company, I don't care which one. The company owners want to make a beverage with the most sugar possible. So, prepare a presentation for the owners about sugar and solubility. Presentation focuses as follows. Propose an investigation to demonstrate the maximum amount of sugar that can dissolve in water. Provide a step-by-step procedure. Focus your presentation on describing the process used to answer these questions. What is the maximum grams of sugar that can dissolve in half a cup or 118 milliliters of water in an open container at room temperature? To help you along with this, there are 4 grams of sugar in 1 teaspoon. And then what changes can be made to the solution to increase the amount of sugar that can dissolve? The first part you're going to complete and turn in is as follows. You're going to open a Google document and list the following. First, you're going to type your name and IPC, and you're going to rough draft your experimental procedure steps. An easy way to develop this would be to actually get half a cup of water and some sugar and dissolve the sugar in the water, keeping track of how many you put in and what you did to make it dissolve. Then list your ideas about changes you can make to the solution to increase the amount of sugar that can dissolve. Refer to your textbook if you're not sure. When you finish, choose File, Download, PDF Document, and turn this PDF for IPC Solubility Part 1. This is like a rough draft of what you plan to present. For Part 2, you're going to develop your presentation. Please use Google Slides. You can use any themes that you like and colors and fonts. Make it look creative. Use your vocabulary terms from this chapter. It should contain a title slide, an introduction, include the beverage company you selected. So you are explaining why you're doing this presentation. Then you need a few slides about your investigation proposal, including diagrams or pictures of you actually doing it would be helpful. And then a slide for each idea for increasing the amount of sugar you dissolved. And again, diagrams are going to be helpful. When you finish, please proofread your work. This will be a good time for you to ask your parents to go over it or someone to look at it with you. Then ask yourself the following self-check questions. Does your presentation demonstrate a thorough understanding of the relationship between the structure of water and its function as a solvent? And does your presentation demonstrate a thorough understanding of the properties of water solutions and the factors affecting solid solubility? Once you've done that, go to your Google Slides and choose File, Download, and then choose PDF Document, and this is what you're going to submit for IPC Solubility Part 2. We'll be using a rubric to score this, so this is the rubric, and you can take a look at that. These instructions will be made available to you in both assignments so that you can know what to do. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have fun.